How to change Google Forms owner. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type Google Forms. Now open up the first website. Tap on three dots at the top right corner and enable desktop site. Now once you enable it, open up your Google Forms. Now select your Google account. Now tap on the add person icon. Now tap on the search bar and type the email address. Now tap on responder and select editor. Now tap on send. Now wait for the now wait for the person to accept the invite. Now after the person accepts the invite, simply tap on the add person icon again. Now next to the person, tap on editor. Now tap on transfer ownership. Now tap on send invitation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.